Dear scholars, let us see the next parts of speech, which is adjectives. What is meant by adjective? Here is a definition. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Let me tell you in other way. An adjective is a word that gives information about a noun or pronoun. Here are the examples of adjectives: happy, tall, some, this, etc. If I say Ramesh is a tall boy, so in this sentence there are two nouns. First one Ramesh and the second one is boy. So if you think of both nouns, one of them is modified. So how will you find it out? If you ask question to the nouns with the question word how, you will get the answer. Let me tell you, boy. How is that boy? Or what kind of boy Ramesh is? You will give the answer tall, right? So the word tall is the adjective. Let's learn something more about adjectives. Here are the kinds of adjectives. Which are those? First one, adjective of quality. What is its function? Tell all about kind of noun. Means how is that noun? Second one, adjective of quantity, which tell the quantity of noun. Third one, adjective of number, which tell number of nouns. Fourth one, demonstrative adjective. What is its function? It points out. Fifth one, interrogative adjective. What is its use? Ask question. And the last over here is possessive adjectives. What is its function? We show the possession. So these are 6 kinds of adjectives over here. Let us learn about each of them one by one. So first one is adjective of quality. How it works? Adjective of quality answers the question what kind of. What kind of noun it is? How is that noun? Let us see the given examples. He is a brave person. So here word person is the noun. If you ask question with these words, you will get the answer, and that answer will be adjective of quality. Let us check it out how it works. It is given in the bracket. What kind of person? So answer brave. So that here in this example, word brave is the adjective, and which is adjective of quality, as it is telling the quality of the noun person. Second example, she has a beautiful voice. Let us check it out with the help of question. What kind of voice? Answer beautiful. So here the word beautiful is the adjective which is telling us about the quality of voice. Let us see the next kind. What is it? Adjectives of quantity. Let us see some more information about it. Adjectives of quantity show how much of thing is meant. So these two words are important over here, which will help you find adjectives of quantity. Let us see the examples. First, I ate some rice. Which is the noun in the sentence? Rice. Correct? Let us check out asking question with the words how much. How much rice? What is the answer? Answer is some, right? So here the word some is adjective and which is telling the quantity, so that it is adjective of quantity. In the next example, he has little intelligence. The adjective is little as it is telling the quantity of intelligence. In the next example, adjective much, and the last one all. Remember, adjective of quantity answers the question how much. So that I had underlined these two words before also. Let us see the next kind. Adjectives of number. What is adjective of number? Let us see. Adjective of number answers the question how many. These two words are important over here, as these words give information about the number of the noun, so they are called as adjective of number. Let us see the example. First one, I met her several times. So here the word times is the noun. Let us check it out with the help of the question word. How many times? What is the answer? Several, right? So here in the first example, word several is the adjective which is telling the number. So it is an example of adjective of number. Let us see the second example, which is much more simple than the first one. We have two hands. Which is the noun in this sentence? Hands. Let us ask question, how many hands? Answer, two, right? So in the second example, the word two is an adjective and which is telling the number, so that it is considered as adjective of number. Let us see the next kind. Demonstrative adjectives. What they mean or what is their function? So demonstrative adjectives point out the noun or show the noun. Which are the demonstrative adjectives? Here are the four words: this, that, these, and those. These four words mentioned over here are considered as demonstrative adjectives. Let us see how they work with the help of example. First example, this chair is broken. Here is the question word which. So if you want to find demonstrative adjective, you need to ask question with the word which to the noun. So in the first example, the word chair is the noun. If you ask question, what answer will you get? Let us see. Chair. Which chair? Answer, this, right? So the word this pointing out the noun chair, so it is considered as demonstrative adjective. It demonstrate, point out, or show the noun. In the next example, that car is expensive. Noun, car. Which car? Answer, that. So here the word that is the demonstrative adjective. In the next example, these, and the last one, those, are the examples of demonstrative adjectives. Let us see the next kind. Interrogative adjectives. What is their use? They are used to ask question. So you know very well the question words. Which are those? what, why, when, where, etc. But out of these words, some functions like an adjective or they come before noun and give some information. What information? The information needed to make the question, where you can replace the word by putting the answer. Let us see the first example. Whose pen will they bring to you? So which is the question word over here? Which is that? Whose, right? Whose pen will they bring to you? So the pen will be of any person, right? You can put the name of any person. For example, uh, Sita's pen. So here, Sita's pen will they bring to you. So it is improper sentence actually. So instead of the word whose, if we put the name, that name will be showing possession, right? Sita's pen. But as the name is missing over here and question is framed, so the word whose working as an adjective and which is used to frame a question, so it is called as interrogative adjective. Next example, which book will they give you? Question word which and it is the interrogative adjective. And the last one, which notebook will they show you? So here in this example, the word which is repeated in the first, second and third one is interrogative adjective. Let us see the next and last kind, which is that possessive adjective. In one of the previous videos, I explained in detail about possessive adjectives. Actually, they belong to pronouns table, but as they function like adjective giving information about noun, so they are called as adjective. They show the possession, so they are possessive adjectives. So here in the first column, all the possessive adjectives are given. You can read them. Let us see the example, sentence example. First, my shirt is green. Which is the noun? Shirt, right? So if you ask question with the word whose, you will get the answer any particular word. Let us check it out. Shirt. Whose shirt? Answer my, right? So here word my is showing the possession over here or the owner of that shirt. So it is possessive word first of all, and as it is giving information about the noun shirt, it is called possessive adjective. Next example, your book is new. Noun book. Whose book? Answer your. So the word your is possessive adjective over here. In the next example, his, next one her, next its, then our, your, and their. These all words are used before nouns. They are providing information about those nouns and they are showing the possession. So all are these the examples of possessive adjectives. So I hope through this video you will learn what adjective means, and you will also learn about the 6 kinds of adjectives.